Welcome to 7013 Landingham Drive. This beautiful home is located in the Landingham subdivision in Willow Springs. This home is located in Wake County on a 1.67 acre lot. There is no HOA, and this home has the most amazing backyard. This lovingly maintained home with treehouse views offers comfortable and welcoming spaces inside and out, and it is ready for new owners to add to its charm. The open floor plan flows to the spacious family room, streaming with natural light. The bright white kitchen is a chef's delight, boasting a tile backsplash, pantry, and a light-filled breakfast nook. The main level includes a large primary suite with ensuite bath, dual sink vanity, jetted tub, and tile shower. A formal dining room, laundry room, and powder room complete the first floor. Retreat to the second floor to find 2 secondary bedrooms, a separate large office or flex space, and a large bonus room with ample storage and closets abound. This layout provides plenty of room for the entire family and even some guests, and a full bath with dual sinks. Embrace the indoor-outdoor lifestyle with the private and quiet seclusion of the beautifully tree-lined yard. The natural wooded view can be greatly enjoyed from the screened porch and the large deck, perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing. Located on a quiet street, this home offers a serene environment.